everyone, it's moving day in today's video. It was actually emotional to look at the photos and videos taken at our old office. Looking back, Ginkgo started off in 2011 with only a few stuff. It has been an amazing journey for the last 10 years, and it is bittersweet as we put away these boxes of memories. But we're looking forward to making more. Now, our fund reached almost 60 million, and we're dealing with thousands of agents. What do you think is the hardest part in moving? We find that packing is quite time-consuming and tedious. But we assigned the jobs to each individual and we did quite well. Good job, team. Please join us for our next chapter. See you next time.